How to fix Samsung battery draining issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a few ways to fix if you are having issue with your battery draining faster on your Android. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let us jump right in. First thing first, you're going to open up your settings menu, and then from here scroll down until you see battery and device care. So you're just going to head over to battery, and from now you are going to tap on background usage limit, and then from here click on deep sleeping apps. So just tap on it, and as you can see here, these are all of the apps that I'm not currently using, so it's on deep sleep. And if you want, you can just tap on this plus icon to select the apps that you don't frequently use so that they won't drain your battery on the background. So this is the first method. And if you want, you could also turn on this put unused app to sleep, and it will automatically put all of the unused app to sleep to save your battery. The other thing that you want to do is scroll down all the way and then tap on connection settings. Tap on more connection settings, and then you just want to turn off this nearby device scanning. And while you're at it, what you can also try to do is the other thing you can do is simply go ahead and tap on your Wi-Fi and then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Now from here you can click on this option, turn on and off automatically. So it will turn on Wi-Fi automatically when you're in places you are in frequent use, and turn it off elsewhere. So it will automatically turn off your Wi-Fi, and it won't be scanning when the Wi-Fi is off, so it will save you your battery as well. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.